Python. All right, we know how to print a hello world, hopefully. So let's just print a hello world. So hello world. So after you print hello, typed out print hello world, you go Control S to save, and then you go F5 to run. Okay. So when you run the code, it will print out or generate some text on this shell. Okay, so hello world is the very basic, most basic code that we've learned. The second thing we learned is comments. Okay, so when you put comment print hello world, what is that going to do? That that is actually, I'm going to save this. I'm going to print it, run it, and then you'll see it's not going to print anything, okay? Because a comment is designed to tell the Python code to not run whatever is after my hashtag, my pound symbol, okay? So the pound symbol can be used in a few different ways. I can also go, let's say, print hello world, and then I can put the pound symbol in line, okay? So I can go Shift 3, which is the pound symbol, and then go, this is a, okay? And then when I run that, it's going to run hello world. Then it's going to ignore everything after the pound symbol, okay? All right, so that's nice and simple. But Gary, I hear you ask, I'm always writing this pound symbol whenever I need to comment things. Ah, that is correct. Okay, so I'm just going to label this correctly. All right. So why do we need to write comments? Yeah, I've told my class about this before. So if you're from one of my classes, I want you to raise your hand and then tell us why we need to write comments in our code. Gzamb, I'm going to allow you to talk. Hello? Is that Gabriella? Oh, looks like your microphone may be off. Okay, Minami, I'm going to allow you to talk. You may have the mute button
on. Well, we need to use comments because if other people are looking at your work, they won't know what it's doing. So it's easy for them to just read the comment and instead of reading the whole code.
Fantastic, Minami. That is exactly right. So we, as developers, not only do we write a lot of code in computer language, we write a lot of English in our comments, okay? And it's because when you're looking through a big stack of code, it can get a little bit overwhelming, especially for a junior programmer who's just coming in and they don't know all the methods that you know. And then they see a whole bunch of code, they'll be like, what is this code for? When you write a comment and you say, this code is meant to do this, then they know what they're looking for, okay? And that is why comments are really, really important. So we already know how to do a line comment, and we also know how to do an inline comment, which is this one. The next type of comment I want to teach you is called a block comment. So it is 3 double quotation marks, and then I can say, this is a comment. And this is a comment. Even this is a comment. And then to close up this block comment, we do another triple double quotation mark, okay? So when you do a comment like this, it means that you don't have to type as much, okay? You type in a whole bunch of comments like this, and then if I put in, for example, this hello world code here, then you're going to see that it's not going to run the code. It's going to ignore everything inside these block comments, okay? So this is called a block quote or a block comment, depending on